I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we have 80 seconds to reduce the noise in the background of audio in Audacity. And we're going to go ahead and jump in Audacity. We have a little clip here. First, what we want to do is select a blank area where there is nothing but the noise that you want to reduce. So we're going to go ahead and go down to noise reduction. And we're going to get the noise profile. We're telling Audacity what the noise is that we want to get rid of. Now let's select the entire clip or the area we want to reduce the noise from. Let's click on that noise reduction again and change the sensitivity or noise reduction frequency as much as you need to. You can hit the preview to see
an adjustment.
Exactly what it sounds like. When you get where you like it to be, you hit OK.
Now that's what I call an adjustment.